Okay, go.
Hey, cuties! Okay, so what are we doing today?
We is doing
The
Try Not to Laugh challenge, but
There's a twist.
Yeah, a twist.
We are doing the Try Not to Laugh, which she just said, but we're gonna use the fart soundboard challenge challenge though.
And we're gonna have water in our mouth. We got our trusty old water bottle here. Yes. Yeah.
And we have the fart board right now.
Yeah. Okay.
And we're gonna do this.
So what's gonna happen is we're both gonna put water in our mouths, and then we're gonna.
It has to be like this.
Yeah. Okay. We're gonna take turns of pressing a sound on the board, and we'll see who spits it out. I don't know how many rounds there are gonna be, but let's just hope.
We'll see how many times we spit.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay,
who's choosing first? Like, I'm scared. I'm already laughing. Okay. Oh my god.
You're just like dripping. Okay, wait. Okay.
That was a practice, right?
That was hard. Dude, I didn't think I was really gonna spit my out.
Oh my god. Okay, I'll spit in the dirt instead of on the thing.
Yeah. Dude, I thought I had it, but then I seen your face and then I had you. Okay. Guess you okay.
Oh my god, my stomach's gonna hurt. I need to spit because then it's gonna make me full. Okay. I think some went down my nose.
Oh god.
Wait, how does that happen?
I was choking on that. And yes, we are outside, so sorry for the fucking lawnmowers.
We just didn't want to spit in the house because that's gross.
Yeah.
This is kind of fun. Like, this is just something I would do like, on my free time.
Oh my god, it's all running. Oh well.
Well, my chair's freaking. Okay, let's do this.
Okay. That's what we have to do. We don't look at it, just pick randomly.
Okay.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Look. Wait, I gotta get more water. Fuck. Yeah.
Oh my god. Dude, spit out there. That's okay. It's okay. I just hose it down.
It will dry because of the sun.
Okay, let's go. Hold on. Dude, that was so tiny, but...
Okay, whatever.
That looks like... I spit over the camera. No. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry.
Take 3. We're back. Okay, we're gonna do like 2 or 3 more rounds, and then that's a wrap.
Oh my god. What the fuck? What the actual fuck? Oh my god, ew.
We know who's a spitter. Just kidding. It's okay, just leave it. We'll go one more time. Last round. Oh
What
God.
the fuck? Look at the fly. He's just chilling. Drinking my water. Wait, okay. Another round. One more round. I'm trying not to spit here. Oh my god, no, I'm done. I'm trying to make you laugh. Fuck you, bitch. Finally. Bitch.
The fuck? I'm not a bitch.
Ew.
Should we do like a bonus round?
Okay, go.
Wait, we didn't even choose like winners or nothing. I guess
No.
it's just for fun. Whatever.
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
let's show them the aftermath. Look at that. Look at you.
Okay, yeah. My aftermath, and there's like some up in there. Y'all. And then her aftermath. Like, she got this though. She went all down. Yeah.